Down to B. Or up. Oh, it's relay. All right?
Yeah.
Almost got smushed.
Yeah, it's not the first time.
I'm just getting a video of the view. Don't worry, I didn't get that on
Okay.
camera. Poor lady got hit by the doors. These sound like they're bottom drive. Yeah, I hear the generator down here. These are bottom drive. All right, up to 6. Let's get this cool view. Here's rainy Kalamazoo. I'm all soaking wet from walking around today. Here's the other one. That one's not glass, so I'm not going to film it. Down to 1. Let's get the view out this side. And just one more time. We'll end it on 6. Get this view. You know what? No, we'll go back down as well, just for shits and giggles. Back to the first floor. Custom impulse. Good old Dover Composite, or Computamatic, whatever you want to call it. Potato. It's kind of pretty quick. I'd say this is 350 feet per minute. I like this. This is very 80s. Anyway, there it goes.